terrorist group has been terrorizing the northeastern part of Nigeria for years now. Civilians have been killed by the terrorist group. The president has condemned the actions of the group and ordered the military to hunt down whoever is responsible. Now we'll bring you a live footage from Sambisa Forest. From the video, we can see two pastors abducted by the group and being led to where they may likely be killed. Now let us watch and see how the story would end.
Allahu Akbar!
What Christian? And I Christian amu. Sani kome ba. Sina da bacha. Sina da lalace wani duniya. Sai su daga lalace wani yara. Ta je su. An daga babu wani je church. Wani banza church. Shege. Kani yanku da daya. Kani yanku. Ana je kashe ku. Kurwanta. Kaji wani shege. Da wani papa kake. Kaji kanshi kana papa. Shege. Kaji wancan fuska. Kani yanka shege.
Hey, I give you two options. Deny Jesus or die. You are wasting my time. Deny Jesus or die.
I deny him.
Take him away. I give you two options. Deny Jesus or die.
Hey, Magana.
Hey, you are wasting my time. Deny Jesus or die. I will put you in front of my situation. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You are my Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh. You are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh. You are all that matters. You are all that matters, Jesus. You are all that matters in every condition. You are all that matters in every situation. You are all that matters, no matter what is happening to me. You are all that matters. Oh, you are all that matters. Oh, you are all that matters. Masori kalabosha kanaya. Rikalalaza kalabosha kanaya. Masukalabosha kanaya. Masukala tala telele. Marila bosi kalabosha latakala. Mayara la 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 bosha kaya. Erila kasabori kala tatata. Masikalabosha kaya. Mandele telebosha kala. Masukalabosi kadaya. Masakalari la bosha kadaya. Abadi, you get up for power. Give us the power. We want the power. Give us the power. Give us the power. Give us the power.
Thank you for your blessings.
Thank you, hey.
receive this power to live for God. I deliver you from every terrorism. I deliver you from every evil. In the mighty name of Jesus. The Bible says that if the Son of Man shall set any man free, he will be free indeed. I set you free in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for a day like this. In the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You have the power. You have the power. You have the power.